Welcome to SimCenter AimSim Create Supercomponents. In this lesson, you will get an understanding of why supercomponents are used, learn how to create a supercomponent from existing components, and how to customize a supercomponent's icon graphics and ports. As a model gets bigger, it becomes increasingly more difficult to find a specific component in it, and a single snapshot of the whole system cannot be taken easily. The supercomponent facility overcomes these problems. The principle is to select a group of components and shrink wrap them into a single icon, making the model look more user-friendly. You can quickly and easily create supercomponents in the sketch and submodel mode. This can be demonstrated with the quarter car suspension model. For comparison purposes, the system will be duplicated with a simple copy and paste. To reduce the number of components shown in the duplicated system, we can use the mouse to select the components that we wish to include. The duplicated tire, wheel, and suspension components have been selected for this example. We can now use one of the following methods to create a supercomponent. You can either select Sketch, then Create Supercomponent, right-click and select Create Supercomponent, or use the shortcut Ctrl-W. The selected components are replaced by a supercomponent icon in the sketch. When the simulation is compiled and ran, we can see that the two system responses are equivalent. Now, to take this concept one step further, we can customize the supercomponent icon graphic, as well as its ports, to better visually represent the system within. To customize this supercomponent, you must access the icon designer. To do this, you must be in Sketch or Submodel mode. Then right-click the supercomponent and select Open Supercomponent. If the Supercomponent Edition window is not visible, then select the Edit menu, cursor over Show Hide, and then select Supercomponent Edition. Once the window appears, select the Component Icon tab and then click on Open in Designer. When the Icon tab is selected, the Object View displays the objects inserted on the icon. In the Icon tab, you can select an element in the Object View or select it directly in the Icon Designer to display its properties, or delete it by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Click on the button to select an image stored on your machine. The icon image can be modified as needed using the convenient editing tools around the perimeter. Once finished with editing the icon image, the Ports tab can then be utilized to align the system ports with the new icon image. We can now save the model in this state containing the supercomponent.